Hi, thank you for choosing to attend to this ABE technical presentation. This is one of a series of presentations about ABE products, digital and analog TV transmitters, MPEG encoders, microwave links, satellite uplinks, antennas, and more. Specific technical features of ABE products, such as web-based remote control system, ultra-fast protection system, redundant configurations, and more. Technical explanations, such as digital TV standards, how to measure RF power, understanding MER, and more. Now we will inform you about ABE products.
DTX50-100U, a high-performance digital DVB-T-H compact TV transmitter, the high-quality, professional and cost-effective solution for digital TV broadcasting. The DTX50 or 100U is a compact UHF digital DVB-T-H transmitter and can be supplied with a choice of options to be suitable for any application: gap filler, transmodulator, regenerative transposer. This is the modulator board, the key component of the DTX transmitter. It is based on a single latest technology FPGA. It supports DVB-T and DVB-H modes, with native or in-deep interleaver, hierarchical modulation, and SFN, single-frequency network modes. The DTX modulator allows also functions that are normally supported only from the multiplexers, the NIT SDT insertion and the PID filtering, so to be able to exclude unwanted programs from the incoming multi-program transport stream, for example, for the regionalization of the content. The up converter is equipped with low-phase noise local oscillators and is frequency agile over the UHF band with a 1 Hz resolution. Output frequency can be changed from the equipment front panel or through the remote control. The DTX is equipped with a digital linear and non-linear precorrector with the possibility to store and recall up to 8 presettings. Non-linear precorrector can adjust amplitude and phase versus level to correct the nonlinearities introduced by the power amplifier of the transmitter. The linear precorrector can adjust amplitude and group delay versus frequency normally distorted by the filter at the output of the transmitter. The equipment employs high-performance, highly efficient power amplifiers, low power consumption in comparison with the output power, using highly linear latest technology LDMOS semiconductor, AB class polarized. Linearity is further enhanced by the digital non-linear precorrector. The output RF amplifier operates in redundant configuration. The shoulders attenuation at the RF output of the transmitter before the output filter are better than 38 dB, with a typical value of 40 dB. The MER, modulation error ratio, up to the nominal RF output power is better than 35 dB, with a typical value of 37-38 dB. Several input interfaces are available in order to feed the DTX transmitter that can handle up to 4 inputs with near seamless switching. As standard, the transmitter has 2 ASI inputs. Optional available interfaces included satellite receivers according to DVB-S or DVB-S2 standard for transmodulation or gap filler applications, and digital terrestrial DVB-T receiver for regenerative transposer applications. The Gigabit Ethernet interface option for video over IP can receive 2 transport streams. The encapsulation standard supported is the ProMPEG Code of Practice number 3, release number 2. The optional GPS receiver, specifically developed for the timing function, provides the 1 PPS, 1 pulse per second, and lock a 10 MHz reference oven oscillator necessary for the synchronization in SFN network mode operation. The unit has been specifically designed to minimize problems in SFN networks, for example the cumulated error and the wander. The high stability oven reference oscillator maintains the synchronization for a long time in case of GPS signal unavailability. The DTX transmitter efficiency is further enhanced by the use of switch mode power supplies, provided with PFC, power factor cos phi corrector, in order to minimize reactive power consumption. The transmitter can be equipped with dual power-arm supply in order to significantly increase the protection level. Besides the user-friendly local control with front panel display and keypad, to remotely control the DTX transmitter, there is a web server embedded, securely protected with username password with 3 different control levels, able to read and set all equipment parameters. Access to the web server is through an Ethernet LAN interface. The embedded web server controls the general status of the equipment, the modulator parameters, the GPS receiver, all input interfaces, the Agile app converter, and the power amplifier. It also displays the alarms that are classified in 2 different severity levels, the warnings and the alarms. It is also possible to download the event log file, where all alarms, switch on, false, etc. are registered with date and time. The event logger has the capacity to store over 5,000 events and can be downloaded. The housekeeping interface option, also remotely accessible through the web server, is able to monitor up to 8 inputs connected to external devices, for example, an alarm system or a door, and to control other devices through 8 outputs, for example, to switch on and off a motor generator or an air conditioning system. The email client automatically notifies via email to pre-registered email addresses variations in the alarm conditions of the equipment. This is quite useful to be immediately notified about eventual problems occurring to the equipment. The SNMP agent is able to send alerts, traps, to read the equipment parameters through the get command, and to manage the equipment, for example, to reset through the set command. It is also possible to remotely upgrade the control board firmware. For more details, you can download from ABE website the specific product brochure and the modulator board demo control software.
Thank you for attending this presentation. I hope it has been useful. Should you have any question, please feel free to contact our technical and sales department. Please visit ABE website, where you will find other technical and product presentations, as well as other information about ABE. Have a great day!